Number 1. 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. For thrilling getaways, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome combines Italian performance and luxury. This first supercar motorhome combines Ferrari's racing heritage with luxury and cutting-edge technology. Performance and exterior design. This 2026 Ferrari motorhome features a unique appearance. The lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon fiber body resembled Ferrari F1. Performance DNA has aerodynamic channels and an active rear diffuser for stability and airflow. The wide grille has prancing horse and LED headlights and air intakes. Replace mirrors with retractable side cameras for a cleaner look. A hybrid V12 powers Ferrari's flagship hypercar. It establishes a class record by accelerating the motorhome to highway speeds in under 5 seconds with over 900 horsepower. Variable magneto-helical dampers and rear-wheel steering correct mountain pass and coast performance. Interior design details. This camper van exudes Ferrari's luxury and speed. Ferrari SF90 Stradale-inspired carbon fiber and a digital instrument cluster enhance the driver-focused cabin. All operations are enhanced with flat-bottom steering wheels and integrated controls. Italian leather, exposed carbon, and Alcantara decorate the living room. Each surface is hand-finished with motorsport flair and elegance. Lounge features. 2 motorized recliners may become queen beds from athletic chairs. JBL Ferrari 55-inch OLED multi-channel, Ferrari red ambient lighting, natural light and rooftop views, gourmet kitchen dining espresso, convection oven, and flush-mounted induction cooktop make the kitchen entertaining-friendly. Large wine cooler, smart fridge with touchscreen, carbon fiber, soft close cabinets. A 4-person modern dining room might be a lounge or workplace. Spa-like private room bathrooms have rainfall showers, Bluetooth speakers, and ambient lighting. Custom closets, read lights, USB-C tech, and networking innovation is everywhere, including the feature 17-inch touchscreen controller. Voice-controlled lights, entertainment, and climate Wi-Fi hotspot, 5G internet, multiple USB hubs, wireless charging, safe driving aid Ferrari motorhome features, cruise control, stop-go, better 360-degree lane centering cameras, vehicle emergency brake, blind spot, and cross-traffic alerts. Lastly, the 2026 Ferrari motorhome blends penthouse luxury and Ferrari performance. The Riviera and Highlands showcase Italian speed, grace, and innovation. Number 2026 Chevrolet Motorhomes. SUV-powered 2026 Chevrolet Motorhomes offer RV luxury. Aerodynamic silhouette and innovative style define the exterior. LED matrix headlights with C-shaped daytime running lights and a big satin chrome Chevrolet grille. Aluminum and carbon fiber body panels are lightweight and robust. Interior lighting comes from the panoramic sunroof. A power-operated side awning covers outdoor seating. 22-inch dual-tone alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. Clean and gray water tank digital indicators. An automatic sliding door that senses motion for convenient entry. Design and interior. A mobile apartment-inspired living room featuring captain seats, 10-point massage, heating and cooling, and Napa leather upholstery in the front cabin and lounge. The lounge has an L-shaped sofa, folding dining table, and cabin-facing swivel seats. OLED 55-inch smart TV with Bose 3D. This modern kitchen has soft close and motorized cabinets, solid surface worktops, an illuminated backsplash, a large refrigerator, 190 liters, with a freezer, a built-in microwave oven, and a fully outfitted galley with a 3-burner induction stove. Heavy-duty memory foam queen bed, sensored wardrobe lights, electric bedside skylight for stargazing. Rain shower and electronic temperature control in large bathroom shower cubicle. Beautiful vanity with anti-fog mirror, ceramic flush toilet with waste tank. Tech, smart features, Chevrolet Connect. Smart home system, voice or app-controlled lights, thermostat, water heating, and entertainment. Performance, powertrain, Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine for long-distance driving and hauling, 80-kilometer electric range plug-in hybrid, and 10-speed automatic for smooth cruising. On rough terrain, adjustable air suspension is more comfortable. Traction matches AWD. Choosing exterior colors: white Arctic, pearl deep, ocean blue metallic graphite, bronze satin. His target audience: the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome gives traveling families home comforts. Mobile office connectivity is essential for digital nomads. Foreign luxury explorers: modern car appearance, smart home features, and cutting-edge engineering distinguish the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. The paths all promise fantastic trips. Number 3.2026 Volvo Motorhome. Eco-friendly features, Scandinavian design, and safety make the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a remarkable luxury motorhome entrance. This motorhome's simplicity and elegance reflect Volvo's design, sustainability, and clever functionality. Exterior design: the 2026 Volvo Motorhome's aerodynamic form stands out. Volvo or FMX chassis power motorhomes. Exterior features include Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlights, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, an aluminum and composite panel construction, satellite dome with roof-mounted solar panels, power awnings, underfloor storage status. Volvo performance and style go together. Style and comfort indoors. A Scandinavian minimalist oasis awaits. Straight lines, open spaces, and natural light are valued. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows, ash or birch cabinetry, and luxurious leather or wool mix furnishings distinguish the living area. A 55-inch retractable smart TV and colored ambient lights accentuate the scene. It boasts solid surface counters, built-in lighting, a convection oven, a huge refrigerator, wash freezer, an induction cooktop, and a filtered water tap. A touchscreen control panel, ambient ceiling light panels, soundproof walls, and a king-size memory foam bed with underbed storage are all included. Bathroom: heated flooring, stone textured tiles, smart mirror, spa-style wet bath with rain shower. Volvo uses hypoallergenic, sustainable materials to safeguard persons and the environment. Tech and networking infotainment: a huge wall touchscreen or smartphone app, based Android-powered lighting, security, heating, and cooling control center. Includes Starlink, 5G, and wireless charging. Smart systems include zone-based climate control, AI-assisted energy optimization, and voice-activated blinds. Performance and drivetrain differ. Each Volvo Motorhome 2026 engine: D8K mild hybrid diesel for long-distance efficiency, intelligent terrain management, regenerative braking, and 300-kilometer range are the Volvo e-Motorhome's features. For off-road and winter use, AWD is optional. Volvo's air suspension and fast steering make this RV SUV-like. Road safest motorhome. Verdict: the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is stylish, safe, and sustainable. Confidence helps Volvo compete in luxury RVs. This RV makes long-term or weekend travel safer, more comfortable, and peaceful.